So we're just going past the hook and we've had the most beautiful sail down here today. It's been so flat calm. We were able to come in within about half a mile of it. The oldest functioning lighthouse in the world. So that's Wexford's claim to fame, which is a big claim and a big fame.
That and strawberries.
Oh yes. Oh, the most amazing strawberries in Wexford. I'm sure in the whole wide world as well.
So it's only taken us half a week to actually leave Wexford on our holidays. We're crossing the Waterford estuary at the moment, about to head into Dunmore East, and that is in Waterford. The great adventures.
We're out of the county! Woohoo!
Pontoon.
As you can see, it's fairly quiet today. Just us and one other boat. There's a gate up there, so that's a new addition since we were here last. This was just being built the last time we were here, so it's looking gorgeous. Glenn taking me on a little walking tour.
A romantic walk.
Aww, so cute. Oh, look.
That's to stop me running away.
We just found a secret swim spot. We followed the guy with the towel who seemed to be on a mission.
We're moored just here. It's a hive activity going on here in the bay. Paddleboarders, kayakers, hobie hats, lasers, you name it. If it can float, it's on the water here in Dunmore East. It's quite nice to look at. What do you think?
Oh my god, it's stunning. How beautiful. I feel like I'm away far or something. Waterford is famous for blahs, which are a soft, white, delicious bread roll. Whenever you're in Waterford, you gotta try a blah.
After you swim in this lovely bay.
Boo!
That's Ber after her swim.
I'm so delighted. Re-energized by the sea. Just after a swim in the little cove down there, and it is just so beautiful, so idyllic, and Glenn even went in.
I did. It was so perfect, so idyllic,
so refreshing,
so refreshing,
and revitalizing. Oh, bless. He won't learn my technique, but he does come in with me the odd time, and I'm really grateful for that. Thank you, Glenn.
No problem, darling. It was lovely. It was refreshing. It was revitalizing.
And he's glad he's out. We've been following their journey on Instagram, so it's really cool to see the boat in person. Join us next time as we get a sneak peek inside Ullin and get to chat to her captain.